Hello everyone, welcome to SJ Specials. For more videos, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications, and don't forget to like, share and comment. Hello friends, today we are going to learn some of the incorrectly used words in the office. So friends, let's start improving your business vocabulary with me. We will go slowly and quickly to learn business vocabulary, how to speak in office. So, I will start with, you should not say myself, I am Sharan Singh. You have a question, why I should not say like that? Because while introducing oneself, don't mix up both the possessive pronoun myself and the subject pronoun I. The correct usage is I am Sharan Singh. You have to use only subject pronoun I. The next one is never use by walk. For example, I come to office by walk. We can say I come to office by car, by bike, by bus, by train or by flight. But you should not say by walk, as it is the food which is being used to travel and not walk. You have to use on foot. For example, I come to office on foot. In our workplace, we used to ask someone to help us. So, instead of help, use assist. For example, please assist me in this project. Next one is, at our workplace, we used to compliment each other. So, never say that when you like their dress. Many of us used to compliment like this, your dressing sense is good. This is incorrect way to compliment. Learn to compliment like this, your dress sense is good. Next one, at our workplace we used to ask their personals. So instead of where do you live, use reside. For example, John, where do you reside? And also we used to use I have to go, I have to leave like this at our workplace. So instead of have to, use must. For example, I must go, I must leave. Next one is, this is the word many professionals also use to commit mistake, that is cope up. The meaning of the verb cope is to manage. Cope is followed by the preposition with and never followed by the up. Even professionals also commit this error, so never use cope up. So, start using cope with at your workplace. The next one is never question and answer like this. John, today office is there? No, office is not there. Today is Bharat Bandh. Try to answer and question like this. Is today a working day? Or are we working today? Yes, we are working today. Or no, we are not working today. Let's see the last one is, don't say I live here only. The correct usage is I live here. So these are the common expressions we used to make errors at our workplace. So please correct your vocabulary while you are speaking at your workplace. friends, if you like this video, please share to your friends. Don't forget to like and comment.